Hello friends, thanks for joining me today. We are going to take a look at how to make a video in Adobe Spark. This is a request I see a lot. How can I take a whole bunch of pictures I have of my students' work and put it together in a little video with some music or without music? Adobe Spark is a really easy tool for taking care of that, and it is also free. It does have some pay features, but I have used it plenty with only the free features, and I've produced several videos with it. In fact, the little video introduction that you just saw before this, my little intro title and everything is made in Adobe Spark. So as a Princeton ISD teacher, I'm going to connect to Adobe Spark through ClassLink. So in my ClassLink I'm just going to click on Adobe Spark, and it is going to load up and it is going to log me in to Adobe Spark. So in the top left here, a big blue button says create a project. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and let's make a video. As you can see, there's a lot of options of things you can make. You can make banner images for your Facebook, your Instagram. You can make logos, flyers, collages, even web pages, lots of graphics. You can create a lot of graphics in here just like with Canva. But today we're going to look at how to make a video. So I'm going to click on video. And let's get this started here. It's going to ask us to give it a title. And I'm going to start from scratch. There's lots of templates you can choose. You can always work from those if that's the way you like to do things. All right, so we're starting off with a blank video screen here. No template or anything that we're plugging in. We've just got blank slides. It does, however, give you a few things. You get because we're using the free version, we're going to have a slide at the very end that says made with Adobe Spark. It gives you a credits slide, and notice it's prompting you to give credit to anybody who has songs or videos or images or anything that you use. So let's start here with our first slide, and as you can see, we have the opportunity. We can insert a video, a text, a photo, or an icon. If we're doing text, we have these options over here on the side. So let's start with a full screen text thing. So we've made a title slide here. We're going to call it example video. Let's hit plus down in the bottom left corner and get us a new slide. Notice it left our number 1 slide there, and it pushed our credits and our outro down. So now we are on our number 2 slide. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go to photo, and I'm going to upload photos. Go to my pictures and put a picture in there that I want to use. So I selected a picture from my drive there, and it has popped it on here, and I notice that it is very zoomed in and not the way I want it. So I can hit the little pencil here in the top right corner of the slide to edit it, and I can zoom out until I get that image, this proportion and size that I wanted on the screen here so that I can see everything. All right. Click away from that, and then I'm going to hit plus to add another one, and I'm going to go and add a few more pictures on here to each slide. One slide, one picture. All right, so now that I've added my pictures to my slideshow, what I can do is go and adjust the time that each slide is going to be on the screen down in the bottom right corner. I can click that, and I can kind of drag that if I want to change it. So let's say I'm going to set them all to 5 seconds. So I'm going to go through these slides, and I'm going to change all the time to 5 seconds real quick here. All right, so the next step is going to be to add our music. So we're going to go to the music tab in the top right corner, and there is plenty of music built in that you can choose from that is free and included with Adobe Spark. There's also Add My Music if you want to upload a sound file that you have of your own. You can click the little play button next to these to preview them if you want to. All right, so I'm going to pick that one, click away from it, and now I'm ready to preview my video and see how it looks. So I'll hit the preview button up here in the top center. All right, there we go. So that preview went all the way through like it was supposed to, slides changing correctly and evenly. I'm going to hit X to close that out. And I'm done with my video, and it is, by the way, saving it all for me automatically the whole time. There's nothing for me to do now to hit save. I just download it or I can share it. So let's take a look at the share button to see what options we get. We get to publish it. So we're going to publish it to Adobe Spark, where we'll be able to share it from there, create a link or we can download it as a file. If I want to upload it to YouTube, which is what I normally do, I would download the file from here. It's going to save it to my computer, and then I can upload it to my Google Drive or YouTube or wherever I want to put it. All right, well, that's a quick walkthrough on how to put together a video in Adobe Spark. I hope that helped you out. Have a great day. Oh, hey, before you go, pause here so you can go look these things up and like and subscribe them. EdTech Mr. Brown, Twitter's EdTech Mr. Brown, YouTube EdTech Mr. Brown, Facebook. Thank you.